Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are going to review this tool called as autoMate, which takes its inspiration from Manus and similar tools which we already have covered on the channel. So if you're interested in learning more about the Manus and Open Manus and few other similar tools, just search on my channel. Now, what this tool is, it is an intelligent digital assistant or colleague for AGI era. AGI is still not here, but you know what? Hype is here and we all have to go with it. So if you go through the repo, it claims a lot of things and we will check it out shortly. But the thing is that at the end of the day, all of these agentic software are more similar than different. They all are trying to be generalist AI agents which work autonomously, and then with just a natural language prompt, they are trying to do a lot of stuff which primarily automates the thing, which is good, not bad at all. But I think calling it an AGI at this stage is a bit of a stretch in my humble opinion. Anyway, so this automate is sort of AI plus robotic platform automation or RPA tool built on Omniparser, which we already have covered on the channel. This turns AI into your digital employee as per the repo. It automatically operates your computer interface and complete complex workflows. It also intelligently understands screen content, simulating human vision and operations. It also makes autonomous decisions and take actions based on task requirement. It supports local deployment to protect your data security and privacy. One thing which intrigued me about this tool is that unlike traditional RPA tools, and if you have used UiPath or Power Automate, you know what I mean, which are quite complex, expensive too. This automate leverages large language models to complete complex automation processes with just natural language task description. So let's try to get it installed and we will see how it works. Let me also give a huge thanks to Mast Compute who are sponsoring this VM and GPU for this video. This is a VM and this is my GPU NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let me create a virtual environment with Python 3.12. If you're also looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount for a range of GPUs. Let me git clone the repo of this automate and I will also drop the link to it in video's description. And then from the root of the repo, let's install all the requirements. This is going to take a couple of minutes. While that happens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws of agents with applications in data generation, task automation and world simulation, and I will also drop the link to their website in video's description. Prerequisites are almost there. So everything is installed. Let's clear the screen and now you can run this automate by simply running this main.py Python file from the root of the repo. And the first time when we run it, I'll just scroll up. You see that it starts downloading that Omniparser model. So, and I think few other auxiliary models. So let's wait for it to get downloaded. And if you're wondering what this Omniparser model is, if you go to my channel and just search with this Omniparser, you will see that I have covered its various versions. The latest version is V2, which I covered around a month ago. And that was actually quite good, best, screen parser as you can see here. So check it out. I'm sure you are going to love it. And if you're interested in this screen parsing, that sort of thing, you can see that I have done heaps of videos on various models out there. Okay, let's go back. And there you go. So it has downloaded the model and now it is running on our local host at port 7888. So I'm just going to go to my browser and then run it there. There you go. So our Omni tool is running basically, which is automate. But why didn't they change the name here? Anyway, what can I do? So this is our Omniparser. I'm just looking at it. The model is GPT-4o, but it is also using behind the scene Omniparser, I believe, and it supports a lot of other models too. I'm not sure what other model, what else is there anyway. So I would need to put in my OpenAI's API key here, as you can see, which is obtainable from platform.openai.com. You can also grab it from there. It's a paid option, by the way. So let me grab it and then let me paste it here. And there you go. So I have pasted my key, and let me ask it something. Now there's very little in documentation available, and some of it is in Chinese. But anyway, I'll just maybe ask it, what is displayed on current screen. Let's see. Let me run this. And as soon as I have clicked on this send button, you see it has started printing a lot of Chinese, some of the English, and then it has actually got the screenshot, as you can see here, which is not bad. So you see it is doing screen parsing with Omniparser, as it is telling you, and then it is moving the mouse, it is doing some actions. The whole screen parsing is being done. That's interesting. It is still going on, I guess. I don't see any progress bar or anything. So it's a seems like a very new project, needs a lot of polishing. So I'll just click here to go down. I think it already finished. Maybe I'll check. Okay, no, it was working. So you see it is doing the screen parsing. You can check it here in the logs as what exactly it is doing. So it is doing the OCR, it is checking the captioning and all that stuff. So I believe it has almost there, I guess. This is how long did it take? You see? So let me go here, scroll down. So it is still doing so it is performing all the scrolling down, going left, right, checking all the stuff, you see. Okay, nice. Okay, so I'll just cancel it. Maybe I'll just reload it to cancel it. Let me go here. What happened? I'm not sure if it stopped. I think it is still working. So I'll just stop it from here and then I'll relaunch it. And I'm just showing you as is without any editing, so that if you are also following along, you could do it too. So it is just going to reload it, and I will once it shows me that it has launched, I will open it in my browser again, reload it. So there you go. So I'll just go back and then reload it. So it keeps my API key here, which is a bit of a concern, but anyway. So let's try out one more stuff. Okay, let's see if it can get the date from my system. So I'll just ask it, what is the system date on my system? Or maybe just like this. Okay, so enter doesn't work, so I have to click on send. Let's see what it does here. And I will also tell you how much did it cost me in terms of API cost from OpenAI. And as far as I can see, that is the only model it supports at the moment. So it says that it doesn't have real-time capabilities. So it is just checking so it is mostly working on screenshotting. And yeah, so it is just working on that screenshotting, it seems. So you see, this is what I was talking about, that yes, and I'm not undermining the effort of the people here. I'm just saying that, look, there is a lot of hype going around there, from, no matter from which angle you look at it, it's not AGI. So saying that, AGI era agent is not really, I think, just I believe that clouds the effort here. So I think we just have to take everything with grain of salt these days. Not a bad effort at all. I mean, Omniparser is a great model, but I believe it's not AGI anyway. So you see, it is still working, taking a bit of a time. We can check out the progress here. I think it already, yeah. So I think it couldn't do anything there anyway. No problem. So it doesn't have real-time capability. All it can do, it can just take screenshot of your screens, and then from there it can check it out. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to say one more thing, one last thing. Let's check out. I'll ask it, open the browser tab on my screen which mentions masked compute. Let's see if it can do that. Let's go down. Okay, I'm not sure if it is doing anything. Yeah, no, it is. That's good. So it is reviewing all the open browser tabs on the screen. Scan each tab for occurrences of phrase masked compute. That is nice. I like it. There you go. What happened there? It closed my browser, or maybe it is doing something. Okay, because I'm not touching anything. It is just running it as is. Hopefully it is going to open that, and I will let it in real time so that you could also see. So task completed. Maybe I would just need to go and open it. It is still moving the mouse. There you go. It has opened my browser again, but it didn't open the masked compute still. Okay, I'll just click on cancel. I'm not sure what it is trying to do. I'll click here. Okay, it is still searching, so I'll let it run its course. So yes, you see it is still screenshotting. There is a dot here, so it means that it is still checking the last one. Interesting. Maybe I don't want to open it myself. Otherwise, what's the point? There you go. It got it. There you go. There you go. That's nice. Still not AGI, but this was a good performance. I hope that it doesn't just keep going on and on, but this one is good. So I think I will just save the grace of it here. I think it did a good job, to be honest, in opening this. But it is doing a lot of other things. You see, it is just going through tunnel and all that stuff. That is not good. I'll just click here. Okay, let me quickly check my OpenAI cost. Okay, it has charged me close to $2 so far for all of the screenshotting and stuff. So it is expensive. So make sure that you keep that cost in perspective. So anyway, that is automate for you. Still a long way to go, but good effort, I would say. If you, and as I said, I will drop the link to it in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.